Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Do Not Disturb for games on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, system settings, and more. Step 3. Now, locate the Game Mode option. Tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the Game Dashboard option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Tap on it to turn it on. Step 5. Now locate the Do Not Disturb for Games option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the Do Not Disturb for Games option to turn it on instantly. This activates the feature, so you'll only get notified by important people and apps when playing a game. Or, do you want to turn the option off again? Tapping the Auto-Click Off option will turn it off by itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.